If you want to make life easy, simple and stress-free, you need to group things, be it groceries in the kitchen or books in your living room. Your leads and customer data are no different. That is why HelloLeads provides a way, in the form of lists, to logically group your leads, prospects and customers so that it makes sense for your business and managing them is much easier. Lists can be used to group leads and customers by source. For example, website leads versus walk-in leads, or say by region, New York leads versus Michigan leads, or even by timelines, say 2021 leads versus 2022 leads. Soon after creating a new HelloLeads account, you will see a list called sample leads. This list of sample leads contains 6 illustrative leads and customer data. You can keep them for reference, or you can delete the sample leads or the list itself whenever you want to. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to create and manage lists in HelloLeads. When you download HelloLeads app and register for a new HelloLeads account, the app would prompt you and ask you if you want to self-configure HelloLeads CRM instantly. If you say yes to self-configuring the application, by default, a set of lists are created so that you save time and you're ready to hit the road. These default lists include telephone leads, walk-in customers, your existing leads. You can also opt for creating additional lists by default, such as field sales, trade show customers, website leads, and Facebook leads. You can create your own lists by clicking on the plus button at the bottom of your screen and going to Create List. You can also create lists while you're inside your list page by clicking on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Lists can also be created using the web app of HelloLeads. If you notice, there is a list owner for each list. A list owner is the user in your organization who is responsible for the lead captured in that list. By default, the list owner is the one who created the list. It is possible to change the list owner by using HelloLeads web app. Instant engagement with leads and customers can help you in improving your sales conversions. How wonderful it would be to share a product brochure by email soon after meeting a prospect at an expo or trade show. To do this, you can create a custom email and send customized greeting or acknowledgement emails to leads you add in your HelloLeads account. Also, you can send an auto text message or SMS to leads or customers you add in your HelloLeads account. To configure SMS or text, you need to use the HelloLeads web app. Greeting email or auto text or SMS are specific to each list. Hence, if you need a different email or auto text to go to your leads or customers, you need to create a different list. You can either enable or disable sending greeting email or auto text or SMS at a list level or at a lead or customer level. The greeting email signature will contain list owner's contact information. You can change this based on your business needs. You can share business cards digitally with your leads. By sharing your business card, you leave your contact details in the inbox of your leads, providing a way for him or her to contact you back. HelloLeads also provides intelligence and alerts when your business card is viewed by a lead. Contacting leads who have viewed your business card has a better probability of conversion and a successful sale. After you create your list, you can start adding leads or customers. To add lead, click on the plus button in the screen and select Add from Contact or Add Leads from the menu. In HelloLeads, you can provide selective access to your users for each list. For example, List New York Leads is accessible only by sales team members working in the New York sales territory if you set it like that. Access rights at list level is available on select plans and are to be configured using HelloLeads web app. To activate this feature, that is enabling access rights at list level, you need to contact HelloLeads support team, support@helloleads.io. We hope you found this video useful. If you need any assistance with HelloLeads CRM, please feel free to drop an email to support@helloleads.io or WhatsApp us and we'd be more than happy to help you.